Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. I'm your host's name, and today we have an electrifying comparison for you. We're pitting the LaView security cameras against the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. Get ready for some shocking results. Let's dive right in. All right, let's talk money. The LaView security cameras come in at a cool $99, while the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K is slightly cheaper at $69. Looks like the 4 megapixels bulb camera is shedding some dollars off your bill. Now, let's focus on what really matters, the video quality. The LaView security cameras offer a 2.1 megapixel resolution, bringing you a clear live view of your home. But hold on to your hats, folks. The LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K blasts through with a stunning 4 megapixels HD 2560 x 1440p resolution. That's twice the pixels, twice the clarity. It's like going from watching black and white TV to glorious Technicolor. When the sun goes down and the darkness creeps in, you need a camera that can still capture all the action. Both cameras offer night vision, but the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K takes it to the next level with its advanced starlight night vision. It's like having your own personal spotlight, giving you full-color video even in low-light conditions. Say goodbye to those grainy black and white images. Motion detection, the superhero of home security. The LaView security cameras have smart programmable motion detection with real-time alerts. But wait, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K takes it up a notch with motion detection and tracking alerts. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your home, keeping an eye on every movement and following the action. Talk about high-tech surveillance. Let's talk convenience. The LaView security cameras require a wired Wi-Fi connection, which can be a hassle to set up. But fear not, my friends. The LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K comes to the rescue with easy wireless installation using Wi-Fi connectivity and an E27 light bulb base. Just screw it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. It's so simple, even your grandma could do it. Sorry, Grandma. Rain or shine, your security cameras need to be tough. The LaView security cameras are designed for indoor use, while the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K brings the thunder with an IP67 weatherproof rating. It can handle the great outdoors like a champ. Let it rain, let it pour. This camera will endure. The LaView security cameras and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K both have their strengths, but the 4 megapixels bulb camera really shines bright like a diamond. Well, there you have it, folks. The shocking showdown between the LaView security cameras and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. Both cameras have their strengths, but the 4 megapixels bulb camera really shines bright like a diamond. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs and budget. So weigh your options, do your research, and make a smart buying decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and stay tuned for more electrifying comparisons. Until next time, happy shopping.